Okay, so printed, spray painted, cleaned up, it's looking good. I'll show you the fit in a second.
Don't worry, I won't go too on the show.
I'll try to do this with one hand.
By asking a pretty straightforward question, and I hope you don't take offense to it. Okay? How many Smurf berries is the life of each Smurf worth?
So there we go. Clips on. And it's a good solid
no
fit.
You don't know how many Smurf
So
berries
then you
the life
just
of each
slide
Smurf is
your spacer bolt in, or spacer nut in.
Would you agree that the school is in a crisis?
And I'm watching South Park, so bear with me.
If a Smurf dies and no one is around to hear it, does it still scream? She's speechless. You are the president of the school. Can you see why
So you're just going to pick your poison in terms of height, where you want the thing to stop. Hang on 1 second, not enough hands here.
Yes, and that makes whoa, what?
Okay, so I intend to fly sideways like that. Nice solid fit, and the balance is centered in the Mavic nicely. I'll show the fit on the Mavic. Okay, so that's on the right spot. So that goes in there, and you're clipped. And again, as I said, it's a nice solid fit. It's not coming off anywhere. And to remove it, simply unclip it, and the whole thing comes off. So while you're out there in the field, getting it on and off is a nice easy thing to do. And it looks good, and it fits well. So that was version 4, final. I'll upload it onto Thingiverse.